It's 10 p.m. Do you know where your data is? If you're like the 86% of businesses today that say their data is fragmented across different systems, applications, and departments, probably not. Right now, this data fragmentation is increasing your operating cost by 30%. And all that app switching is costing your agents up to 5 weeks of work every year. Siloed data is also incomplete and inaccurate, meaning all those data-driven decisions you made to improve the customer experience, well, they could end up destroying it instead. 97% of CX leaders say data fragmentation is one of the biggest barriers to successful AI integration. So, how can you join the 3% that have eliminated tech debt, gotten rid of data silos, and streamlined everything into a unified platform to transform CX? Keep watching to find out. Businesses today use an average of 44 applications in total, and many of them are costly, single-use AI apps that don't integrate or share data with each other. This means that customer information, conversation histories, and other essential data is scattered across different systems. What does this mean? Constant customer repetition and extended customer support and wait times, a difficulty providing a consistent and omni-channel customer experience, siloed customer conversation histories, decision-making based on outdated and often inaccurate data, a lack of employee access to essential customer data during live conversations. Add all that up, and you've got a full-blown CX crisis on your hands. The solution? Eliminate app redundancies and legacy technology to reduce your tech stack. Also, integrate your existing systems into one unified omnichannel CX platform. Leverage AI to provide a predictive, proactive, and personalized customer experience every time. Empower agents with real-time customer insights, contextual recommendations, and next best action suggestions. So what's in it for your business and your customers? First of all, companies with a unified customer experience platform achieve 8 times the ROI of companies without one. Additionally, eliminating data silos gives you a significant competitive advantage, especially when 66% of your competitors are still working with fragmented systems. Now, let's get into our step-by-step guide to successful platform integration. Step 1. Develop an integration strategy. Before you start consolidating your tech stack, develop an organization-wide strategy. Decide on timelines, appoint an integration manager for each department, and consider how you'll measure and monitor integration success. Remember that taking a phased approach to app consolidation, not eliminating half your applications overnight, ensures long-term integration success and limits workflow disruption. Step 2. Audit existing tools and systems. Next, take stock of all the different applications and systems you're using. I guarantee that you're going to be shocked by the number that you have, and even more shocked by the number of tools that you forgot you even had. Consider each tool's total cost, business value, integration capabilities, and of course, AI readiness. Group similar tools together to eliminate redundancies and make sure that you check to see which of those tools can be enhanced by AI technology. Step 3, create strategic, long-term technology partnerships. The single best thing that you can do for your business is to invest in an AI-powered omni-channel customer experience platform that unifies all of your data under one roof. But there are a lot of choices out there, so knowing what to look for in a technology vendor is essential. Make sure that you're looking for technology partners with AI native design, a unified and flexible platform architecture, integrations with your existing technology infrastructure, as well as with the applications that you want to continue to use, robust API management, and lastly, built-in data governance and quality monitoring tools. Step 4, reskill and retrain your employees. Streamlining your applications into a single system of record is not going to make your customer experience problems go away if your employees have no idea how to use this new platform. You need to work with your tech partners to onboard and consistently train your employees. Work with your tech partners to train and onboard your employees, and make sure that that training program highlights the ways in which AI augments and improves the employee experience. Step 5, ongoing auditing and monitoring. Remember, the fight against tech debt and app overload is an ongoing battle. You need to continually monitor and audit your existing applications, and you need to work on developing long-term strategic partnerships with your technology vendors. It's also important to regularly collect stakeholder feedback to stop integration issues from spiraling out of control. Look, you don't need 44 different applications to improve the customer experience. What you need is one application that can do 44 things. If you liked this video, and I'm sure you did, right? Make sure you give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.